Hi, Tim here from World of Sleuths. I'm back for another Friday Reads. It's been a rainy Friday Reads for me today. It's that the rain's been coming down good all morning or all day so far. And I'm not really sure how much longer it's supposed to last. Uh, so, but and I didn't get as much reading done over this past week that I was hoping to. The part of it is because my migraines acting up. Uh, but uh, uh, but I did finish one book over the week. And the thing is, it's a short one, so it seems like I would have been able to get more done. Well, uh, so th- that book is Confessions of an English Opium Eater by Thomas De Quincey. This book is interesting. It is pretty much like his memoirs or autobiography of how how stuff that would happen when he was or causes that opium had done with him and what caused him and stuff. See, this is from the early 19th century, and he first goes. He gets uh, prescribed opium by a doctor for because he was having stomach problems, and just over the years, his opium addiction uh, just got worse all along. He finally be able to back off some, but not completely. Uh, and he's talked about some of the dreams he has on it and stuff. The reason why I got it is the one of the books I'm reading, this one here, Ruler of the Night by David Morrell. This is the third in his Thomas De Quincey series, and there's at times he refers to passages in this book. I'm on Storygraph now. I'm also Goodreads. I'm doing it, but for Storygraph, I like it because the ratings you can do it by like a quarter of a star or half a star, 3/4 stars. Where you can't do that with Amazon. So, and I gave this one 3 1/4 stars because it's sort of dark. And then some of the times I'd get confused with how he'd jump around in it. But at least I can say I've read it now. So with that said, I'll show you the other physical book I'm reading, which I've been reading for a while, which is The Pillars of the Earth by Ken Follett. I'm not done with chapter 2 yet. Or wait, no, I'm not done with chapter 2 yet. Hopefully I'll get it done maybe this weekend to get further along in there. And then I'll show you the other ebooks I'm reading. Okay, I'm reading Scarhaven Deep or Keep by J.S. Fletcher, and I didn't get much further along than I did the last time, but am enjoying it so far. And, it's my first book I've read by him, and then the other book I've been reading is The Deves Affair by Hobart Footner, and I've been enjoying it too. Last Friday I told you about what it's about. Oh, I should also tell you for Confessions of an English Opium Eater, I have started up doing my blogs again on blogger. I did that, and I made it so all my reviews for both the old and new will be on the same blog. And the name of it is my blog is Tim's Reading Room, and I'll leave a link for it down below, so you can check it out if you want to. Okay, so then I figured that way if I make a screw up in my videos, I can make up for it in my review. And okay, so and then the other book I'm reading that yeah, I said the okay, and then a book that I'm going to start reading, hopefully over the next week, is The $1 Million Suitcase by I think it's like Tatum Perry Newberry or something like that. So so that's what I've been doing for reading. But as the title says, book haul. See, my wife wanted to go to the half-price books outlet stores if she could find some books a book that she's looking for, and one that our daughter was wanting for her birthday, which is in just over a week. May 1st is her birthday, but so we went in there, and they had some carts when you come in towards the front for stuff that's on final clearance. Because this isn't a half-price books outlet store, but so first I noticed the carts with hardcovers on for $1, but then I turned around. They had a big table with boxes of paperback books for 50 cents a piece, and I know some of my viewers that are science fiction fans, like Mark Richardson and Steve Donahue, and also like the Scott of Bookish Brands would like them. They had a bunch of Star Trek novels in those boxes, but I didn't get any Star Trek. But I did have somewhat of a haul. Both these tote bags I got there cheap for 99 cents each, because they're working on going away from plastic bags to be more earth friendly. Sorry about the noise in the background. So I'll start showing you what I got today there. I saw this, I thought it looked sort of good. It's called No Sign of Murder. It's by Alan Russell. The Last One Left by John D. MacDonald. I'm not sure whether it's okay. Sea Change by Robert B. Parker. It's a Jesse Stone novel. And I like the Jesse Stone stuff books, or who reads them. So, okay, The Brethren by John Grisham. Tom Clancy's Epicenter has Age of Siege. I know a lot of these were written by, I think, Jeff Rovin, but I'm not exactly sure with that one. Rick Mofina, Vengeance Road. Another Tom Clancy's Epicenter, Divide and Conquer. Some of these are to fill some holes that I have in the books I have. This one I thought looked interesting. That's Blowout by Catherine Coulter. It's an FBI thriller. I saw a couple of her books there I picked up. I think there were some more in there that I probably should have picked up. The Deep Blue Book, Goodbye by John D. MacDonald. It's like the first Travis McGee novel. The First Eagle by Tony Hillerman. Rogue Lawyer by John Grisham. Finding Moon by Tony Hillerman. I think it's Paid in Blood by Robert W. Johnson with H.A. Johnson. The Runaway Jury by John Grisham. And Jeffrey Deaver, The Coffin Dancer. That's just from the first bag. And next out, okay, now for the second bag. Detachment Delta, Operation Deep Steel by Charles W. Sasser. Looks like it could be a techno thriller. The Fountainhead by Ayn Rand. Yeah, that one's a clunker. It's around 700 pages, so in small type. Playing for Pizza by John Grisham. The Client by John Grisham. Tom Clancy's Net Force Breaking Point. It says this one was written by Steve Perry. Tammy Holt, Night Sins. I've read some flip books that I enjoyed. So. The Associate by John Grisham. River of Death by Alistair MacLean. The Born Ultimatum by Robert Ludlum. Point Blank by Catherine Coulter, another FBI one. Since I like a lot of these detective and police procedural books. Oh, and here's the third one by her, Tailspin. The Confession by John Grisham. The only book of his that I've read so far has been The Time to Kill, but I really enjoyed it. So, the Killing Game by Iris Johansson. Master Sniper by Stephen Hunter. And last but not least, the Immediate Action, and it looks like the author is Sandy McNabb. Or wait, I might be wrong. Let me see here. That's what it looks like, Andy McNabb. Okay, so that's all the books I picked up today, but like I said, they were only 50 cents a piece. I can't even get them in Salvation Army or Goodwill's for that low of price. So until I'll try coming back next Friday with another Friday read. So until next time, take it easy and keep on reading.